Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to change language on Travelocity app. First, I'd like you to know that the Travelocity web app does not provide direct option to change the language within its interface. However, the language displayed on the website typically depends on the region or country version you are accessing. Okay? But if you really need help, like if you really need help in changing the language because you do not understand the default language, there are a couple of things that you can do. So you can actually access websites or software that offer the service of translating websites. And after using that, that could pretty much help. And the next step that you can actually take is to contact Travelocity support decks. They'll definitely help you with that. And how can you uh, reach out to the Travelocity support system? So the first thing you do is to head over to the top right corner of your screen. You see a couple of tabs, which includes list your property, support, trips, and of course the profile name right there. Now go ahead and click on support, and once you click on support, it's going to take you to the Travelocity Help Center. In this Help Center, you can scroll all the way down until you find the option to contact them directly. All right, so I'm just going to click on more and see that. Okay, there are more options and not really on the go, but there's a way that you can definitely reach out to them, and that way is by using the chat bot, which is here at the bottom right corner. So you can just go ahead and click on that, and once you click on that, just let this virtual agent know that you want to change the language because you're finding a very hard time understanding the default language. So let them know that you want to change the language, and they'll definitely help you with it. Ensure that your request is detailed and well tailored. So that's pretty much it. Now you can go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.